Hello and welcome to my humble channel. And yes, I have decided to provide a voiceover for this video. I will be unboxing Ajazz ax365, a super cute pink headset with mic. Ooh! You may have noticed I've grown fond of Ajazz brand, as I've also posted an unboxing of their mechanical keyboard. The price of Ajazz products are fairly cheaper, and yet the quality actually exceeds my expectations. Disclaimer though, I am not a pro when it comes to gadgets, but I do enjoy gaming leisurely. I wanted to buy a headset with mic to use in meetings since everything is online now, and I thought, hey, since I'm buying, I might as well get a cute one that fits my so-called aesthetic. I was so nervous here as the box shows the color black and I really wanted the pink one. Thankfully, it is indeed pink. One of this headset's feature is that it has a 7.1 surround stereo sound. Now, I've been using this for more than a month now, and I can say the audio quality really is beyond what I expected. I've noticed the cord is quite thick too, almost that of an extension cord. So there are controls here for the light, volume, and mic. Only a USB port and no aux cord for this one. And the finish is like a really thin, soft leather. It's really flexible. Even if I wear it for like 5 hours, it doesn't hurt. This can be extended for up to about 1.5 inches. The mic extends only up to the side of my cheek though. But fun fact, the mic I'm using right now for this video is actually this mic. So you be the judge of the quality. My camera does not do the light justice, but it's a very cute RGB on the side when plugged in and can also be turned off. One downside I've noticed on this headset is that it's not exactly noise cancelling. But all in all, I'm really happy with this product. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And oh, here's me when I first wore it. Bye!